Welcome to Drive Thru Kitchen. Now, normally I'm doing your favorite fast food items, but today I'm taking it to the next level because this doesn't exist. It should. It might. Who knows? Stranger things have happened. Seems to be when people watch my videos, maybe they work at certain companies, they're like, we should bring that back. Or, hey, that's not a bad idea. I've seen it a couple times now. I have. So this one is a Del Taco item here. And Del Taco, if you're watching, please feel free to use this. Don't have to even give me credit for it. Well, no. But this is the Spicy Jack Grilled Chicken Burrito. Yeah, they ought to be making that because, come on, man. This thing is absolutely amazing and delicious. I'm going to go to this camera, look in there and see. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Yes. Okay, it's got stuff in it. You're going to need to know what kind of stuff? Come on, let's watch the video. And then I'm going to eat this thing because you would if you were me, wouldn't you? Come on, it's super easy. Let's go. All right, Drive Thru Kitchen's all about trying to recreate recipes from your favorite fast food place. But today, we're going to up the ante a little bit and come up with something they should make, but they don't. It is a Spicy Jack Grilled Chicken Burrito. I don't know, I already said that. We're wasting time. What is a Spicy Jack Grilled Chicken Burrito? Well, according to the old nonomer, I don't know what they call that thing. Your brain beats me. You take some pepperjack cheese. Yeah, the same stuff they put in the Spicy Jack quesadilla and the chicken quesadilla. Yeah, we're going to put that down. 2 slices of that. We're going to take some of our nice, hot grilled chicken. We are going to put this down. This is a quick video, folks. Come on. You don't need to worry too much about this one going long. We're good. You want to see long videos? You want to see how to make this? It's a little longer video. Oh, yeah. You got to have a lot of chicken, though. Come on, a lot of chicken. But it's okay. I'm delightfully charming, right? No, I'm not. I talk too much. I know I do. I'm sorry. Okay, that is enough. That's enough. We're still going basically the same way. So we have our savory secret sauce. I think I got it right this time. Oh, it's so delicious. You want to know how to make that? You got to watch the grilled chicken video again. They're going to do, but basically it's 2 parts mayonnaise, 1 part buttermilk, a teaspoon of lime juice, and a little bit of salt and sugar. Just a pinch of those. Not a lot, because it kind of overwhelms it pretty fast, and you want it to taste like everything else. But that's their secret sauce. It's not really that big of a secret. This is the secret, the mild sauce. You have seen that video. That video should be out by now. Oh, yes. You want to make the Inferno or Del Scorcho? Yeah, you do. Of course you do. Is this part of what they would put on it? No, this is all me right here. Again, they don't put the pepperjack cheese on it, so I have free reign to do whatever I want. All right, we're going to put our cabbage down. I'm just kidding. It's shredded iceberg lettuce. A little bit of that. Don't go crazy. We got tomatoes. Oh, yeah. And I'm going to do this because I need to get a picture of this thing. So you got to make it pretty. So I got to put a couple of pieces of chicken out front, a little drizzle of sauce. Yeah. We won't go into specifics on that too much. A little bit of that stuff right there. And you got to have your cheese. This is not bagged cheese. Get one of those Rotary shredders and shred your own. It's great, but it does stick and clump together. So only shred as much as you need, which is about that amount right there. Isn't this perfect? It's beautiful. This is a 1-ended open end roll on a 10-inch flour tortilla that is heated up. You are going to have to do that. I will show you there. Put it in a dry frying pan or a Comal, something like that, big cast iron. And bing, bang, boom. Never microwave a flour tortilla. Any tortilla. And folks, that right there is a Spicy Jack Grilled Chicken Burrito that is screaming, please heat me up some more and melt that cheese. So I'm gonna. Yeah, we're going to the pan again. Meet me back over here. We're going to cook this thing a little bit more. Melt some of that cheese. Let's go to our big 14-inch cast iron Comal here. We want to get that little piece of tomato back in there. Okay, perfect. Now just hold the seam closed here. I'm editing between this. Soda is actually taking a little bit longer. The pan is nice and hot and everything, so it's perfect. We're going to flip, get the other side. Oh yeah, the cheese is nice and melted. I'm holding the spatula so everything doesn't come out. And basically that's it. All right, folks, I am back. This thing is heated up. It's toasted. It's melted. It's delicious. I've done thumbnails in the intro and different things like that. You don't know. I don't know. It's YouTube magic. There you go. But you saw this in the beginning. Maybe you did. Maybe you didn't. I don't know which intro I'm going with. Oh, look at how gorgeous this is. That is photogenic. Photogenic. It's not hyperallergenic though, because there you might it's not hyper. Okay, that's probably an awkward cut because I don't know where my brain just went. I'm all hopped up on burritos, but I'm eating this thing because it's delicious and it's cooling down and nobody likes that. So let's go. Oh my God. Oh, that's ridiculous. Well, I gotta get another bite.
A few moments later.
Oh, are you kidding me? That is, okay. Seriously, Del Taco. If you're watching this, just like post this video and hit like hashtag Del Taco or something. And I don't know how any of that stuff works. I'm old. Is there? I don't know how that works. Somebody help me out. How do we tell Del Taco to make this? Because, whoa, this is so good. You know how to make it at least. So you can make this at home. Just get yourself a couple slices of pepperjack cheese, make up the grilled chicken. You have the lettuce, tomato, the shredded cheddar cheese, that savory secret sauce, a little bit of the mild sauce, maybe the Del Scorcho or the Inferno, Enfuego. Again, change the name to Enfuego. That'd be better, wouldn't it? I don't know. But that is friggin' delicious. Ooh, I love it. This is fun because that doesn't exist, but it should, and maybe someday it will. Because if it happens in Drive Thru Kitchen, it stays in, I don't know, it's going out to the world. I don't know. Anyways, not in charge of that. Whatever you call it and however it works, I just know that I'm glad that I got to bring this thing to you guys. And thanks for watching. If you want to see more stuff like this, you got to subscribe to the channel. And see you back here again and Drive Thru Kitchen when I come up with something else fun. Either it's going to be an existing thing, or maybe I'll just go off the rails again and go like, woo, who knows? You will when you tune in next time. Thanks for watching this one. See you next time. Bye.